Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video I am gonna share about medical leave policy about cruise ship job. Like if you are working on a cruise ship job, then you must aware about medical leave policy. Otherwise you may lose your cruise ship job also. Okay guys, so if you are watching my video first time and not yet subscribed, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload my video regarding cruise or cruise ship job, you will get the notification. Okay guys, so let's go. So guys, in this video I am gonna share two scenario basically. First thing, if you are working on a cruise ship and you get medical emergency and you came back home on medical leave. Okay, first thing. Second thing, you came on vacation and here suddenly you get medical emergency and you requested to company to give you a medical leave for a few months, like 2-3 months or whatever you need. Okay, then in this situation, company, what will you do? The company will pay you or company did not pay you. Okay, so both situation I am gonna share with you. Okay, so first thing, if you are working on board and you get a medical emergency and you came back at home. Okay, so in this scenario, company, what will you do? Company will pay you some amount, like if your salary is $1,000, then company may pay you $300 or $400 or for your basic need. You don't need to work. If you are working, if you are at home also, they can pay you, but they will pay you until your contract get finished. Like if you sign a contract of 8 months, you work 2 months on board and then you came on medical leave. Okay, so company will pay you until 6 more months and then they will stop paying you. Second scenario, you came vacation at your home and suddenly you get emergency or medical leave and then you requested to the company, please allow me some like 2-3 months for my medical emergency. Okay, so in this scenario, company can give you medical leave. Company will not pay you any single amount of money because you did not sign next contract yet, you did not join ship. If you on board and coming at home, the company will pay you some amount, but if you requesting from your home, then company will not pay you. So next question come to you, if you are on medical leave, then company will call you back or did not call you back. Okay, so this is very important for your career also. So guys, I have personally seen 6 to 8 cases on medical leave. So only one case I have seen yet, like the guy who came on vacation and he got a car accident. So he requested to the company about emergency medical leave. So he got emergency medical leave, and once he get fit to work, then he requested for the company again, I am ready to work and please give me next assignment. So in this case, company asked him to get all the medical certificate and the fit for work certificate also, and only this guy get a joining letter and he is still working on board. Apart from almost 6 to 7 cases I have seen, the guy who came on vacation or he get a sick at home and he requested the company, I am not able to join currently, please allow me 2-3 more months for a medical leave. The company, yes, company allow you medical leave. Again, another situation, the guy who is working on a board and he gets sick on board and he was not able to work, so he came on medical leave. Okay, so is both situation, company is not giving yet joining date. So it's very clear, if you are working since a long time with the company, like 5 years, 10 years, it doesn't matter. If you are on medical leave, so company, they might call you back. I believe they will not gonna call you back. Reason behind, they need very fresh crew, very healthy crew and fit for work. They don't want to any like sick crew on board, because on board safety and security is very important. So one suggestion from my side, if you are working on cruise ship, if you are feeling that you are not well to join cruise ship job, then never request to the company for a medical leave. You can request any other leave. That's okay, you can join if you have any other leave, but if you are on medical leave, they will not gonna call you back. It's a very rare chance, maybe 1 or 2 cases will be there, they can call you back if everything is good, like all the medication, all the medical certificate and all these things. Then if you are lucky enough, they will call you back, otherwise they will not call you back. Okay guys, so be aware about your medical policy also if you are looking for a cruise ship job or if you are working on a cruise ship job. Okay, so guys, I hope this video is really helpful you. If you still watching my video and not yet subscribe my channel, then please hit the subscribe button so that whenever I upload video regarding cruise or cruise ship job, you will get the notification. Okay, so ciao, see you in the next video. Till that time, bye bye, take care, have a lovely day.